Do not tell your plans with anyone. Keep your plans close to your heart. We live in a world that thrives in sharing. Social media, conversations, and even casual encounters often push us to announce our goals, dreams, and plans. It feels good, doesn't it? Sharing your aspirations can earn you a smile, a compliment, or even admiration. But let me tell you something profound. Your plans will thrive in silence, not in noise. When you share your plans prematurely, you risk exposing your dreams to unnecessary opinions, doubts, and even envy. Some may unintentionally project their own fears, watching your vision, discouraging you without meaning to. Others may actively root for your failure, not out of malice, but out of their own insecurities. Your plans are like seeds. When you plant them in the soil, you don't uproot them daily to show the world how they are growing. You nurture them quietly, watering them consistently, shielding them from harsh elements, and letting time and effort work their magic. In the same way, your dreams requiring protection, they need your focus, your energy, and your undivided commitment. You see, there is power in action over announcement. When you move in silence, you sidestep distractions and avoid unnecessary pressure. Your results will speak for you louder than words ever could. And when the world finally sees what you have built, they will be inspired not just by your success, but by the quiet determination that got you there. Remember, not everyone needs to know what you are working on. Let your progress surprise them. Let your achievements leave them speechless. The journey is yours and it is secret. Guard it fiercely. So today, I urge you, don't tell everyone your plans. Tell yourself instead. Write them down, commit to them, and let your actions echo louder than your voice ever could. Go out there and work in silence. Then let your success be the noise.